Elastic retentive caps. Many different manufacturers have tried to copy Rain 83's spherical attachments all over the world. The spheres have been copied quite well, but the female retentive caps have been wrongly reproduced by many. Trying to create a smaller cap, many factories have used wrong materials, compromising the elasticity of the caps, resulting in lack of functionality. Mere plastic has often been used to manufacture female caps, giving such a rigidity and reducing their ability to embrace a larger area of the sphere's equator. Due to the rigid material expansion and absence of return memory, these caps provide a sort of friction retention instead of an elastic one. Rain 83 caps are made of elastic materials and designed lightly oversized compared to those of competitors. But this concept of larger size is the reason why Rain caps have different degrees of real retention. In fact, the more material quantity is involved, the better the retention. Molecular compression is more intense when there's more material, thus the possibility to manufacture different levels of retention proportionate with more or less the quantity of material. In order to differ cap retention, they've been color-coded. The Rain 83 spheres are flat on the top. Connection with the rounded internal siege of the caps makes vertical movement gentle and close to real tissue resiliency. Body temperature and fluids present in the mouth also contribute to optimal cap work. Another recent product born from accurate research is the Extra Resilient Cap. These kinds of caps have a wider top to allow extra resiliency on the sphere, especially in those situations where only two abutments, usually anteriors, are present to retain dentures. These caps avoid rolling movements due to absence of posterior abutments. Rain 83 considers retention as the most important concept related to dental attachments. This is reached only when elastic caps embrace and expand over the sphere's equators when snapped on. Dental technicians can personalize any prosthetic project just monitoring retention of caps. Picture A. When metallic parts, bar and overstructure do not connect, a resilient connection is developed. Picture B. When metallic parts, bar and overstructures connect, a rigid retention is developed. Picture C. Retention allows stability in every movement direction.